Hello everyone. Good morning, respected judges and all my dear friends. I am in favor of advantages of AI tools. AI can be available for 24 hours in day and it can reduce our work and helps to it helps to work faster and it helps to work fast to peoples. Thank you.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. So today, good evening, everyone. Okay. So today we have a debate, and topic is pros and cons of AI tools. So we have A team and B team, and I belong to this team, and we are against or opposite to the motion. So I think, as far as my point of view is concerned, AI tools is very dangerous for us or for we people because due to the AI, the new machine learning, most of the people lost their jobs. So according to me, for this point, AI is dangerous for us.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Aniket Jharkhande, and I am in favor of advantages of AI. Then, sir, you said AI is very dangerous, but is it is also helpful for students or teachers also, because for tell me one example, sir. From 2 to 3 days ago, I sir give me a task or of downloading a research paper. That time uh, I use AI, and also download from a website, download the paper, and making a word file in MS Word. And also that after that we send this file in Gmail through AI. That's why I am favor of advantage of AI. This is my point, sir.
Good evening, all. Um, Today, I am going to talk about a disadvantage of AI tools. There is job displacement, academic cheatings are occur due to AI because some students complete their assignments with the help of AI, and this is the cheating. And they do not their creativity, their skills are not shown there. So this is my point.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Praveen. I am in favor of the AI is good for our life and for our new era because many MNCs companies like Nvidia, Google's, Microsoft's, their companies without AI they can't. I think improve their curriculums and activities because and also when we consider the our uh, India, the RBI, the other MNCs, the uh, Ambani's companies, Tata's companies, they are using AIs. And sir, also the job is lost thing, but other thing is job also gaining in that field. Some students, some people are also getting job from to using the AIs. So I think AI is good for our life or for our career era, new era. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Dikshani Kharode. I flavor in the disadvantage of AI tools. Aniket says the research paper will be download 2 or 3 days ago. So my point is, Aniket, you are download your research paper in AI tools. So my point, you are download, but your mind is not thinking. You download for AI tool.
Sorry, but sir told me you download from on Google. This is also AI. Means or any work in do work in online. This is AI.
Yes, I am understand your point.
Yes.
But my point is, your AI is matlab advantage is very good, but your mind thinking, you are not affect your mindset. That's my point.
Okay, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends, good evening. My name is Sonali. My team member already said AI is available for 24/7, which is right. There is no doubt for that topic. And AI advantages mean like I just say one topic like innovation. AI is helping us in research, and AI also helping us for climate prediction. I mean to say AI is the must in our era. That's it.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Gayatri. Today I going to talk about disadvantages of AI tools. According to my opinion, AI create fake images, fake videos, and fake news. It's lead to mislead people.
So, good evening, everyone. My name is Revati, and I am favor of AI tools. And in the AI tools, there are various like Gemini, ChatGPT, and they are very helpful. And one of my opponents says that people are cheating in AI tools. So I respect your point, but I disagree with it because the people who are cheating using AI tools, the it's not the problem in the AI tools. It's a problem with the people because people also cheat with cheating with the help of the books because it's not about the AI tools. They they cheat using books also. So that's my point. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Yash, and I want to say something about AI. AI can reduce human work, but it's not that much helpful because when we don't work for anything, we directly get information regarding that particular things. Okay, I can't.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nidhi, and today I'm here to speak the favor of AI tools. So, today's era, AI tools is very important for students and everyone because AI is reduce our work and they make in a few seconds they make our work. And yesterday, sir told me you prepare presentation for help Canva app. So then Canva app make my presentation in 2 to 3 minutes. They make my presentation, so it is very helpful for everyone.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Radhika, and I'm in the favor of disadvantages of AI. And I think sometimes AI give wrong answer also, and it is not always correct. So our project or any study material, it can be do mistakes sometime. That is my point.
So I respect your opinion, but I disagree with it because it's a nice that they are giving you false information sometimes. But it's a nice because we can search with all the if the ChatGPT giving you a false answer, then we can
compare with the other tools and other Google also and books also. We can search it and research it, and this makes the AI tool smart, and also for us, they make us smart. That's why it's very nice for they do like that. Thank you.
Okay, as my fellow opponent said, AI is very useful for us. We can easily make videos, whatever study material available on or with the help of AI, we can download easily. But I think, what is the use of our mind? Everything is we use ready-made. So that means you are stopping our thinking capacity. That means there may be risk of one day we will or we get our mind what you call blank. So this is, I think, another risk due to the AI. So you have to think about it.
So, AI, if we are using AI, we can earn easily with AI. YouTube paid you very well if we use AI video for children's. And about our mindset, AI provide lots of book with free. If you search any book, they provide you free. And if you go to store, you will purchase or 150 or 160 for that book. You will purchase that and you will come home, and it's it's not save your time, so you have to search it on AI. He will provide you books a lot, because I am a book reader. So when we I am not having books, not having a book who is not available in any store, he will give it for free. And it provide the website also of that book. Thank you.
I'm agree with you, but sometimes if we do all things online or in phone, then our mental health and our eyes also not properly work. So it is also disadvantage for us.
Okay, so I have an answer for you that also. If you know, doctors are using AI also for analyzing our body. So if doctor are using, why we cannot use it? Thank you.
Okay, I agree with my opponents, but there are many problems while using AI. So we should consider these problems also. AI use doctors for the treatment of patient. It is useful somehow, but there may be some limitations. If use of AI, as we usually used to say that there is a risk of using mobiles. There may be risk of losing our eyesights. So in the same way, while using AI, what type of risk are there, we should know first. So if we avoid these risks and after that we are using AI, this will be beneficial for us. If we are giving more and more time to the AI, or we took help of AI. So, what is the use of our mind? So, there are many books in libraries with this information, with available information which AI provides. Now AI provides easily whatever we search, scroll, or prompt. That means we are became habitual to AI. So became more habitual or more addict to anything is more dangerous. So this is my point.
I respect your opinion, sir, but I don't agree with you because if we use AI tool, it's not like we can become mad because everyone uses calculator. So it's not like they don't know about the maths; they cannot calculate with it. So that's and also the AI tools uses like some, for example, if you have a long book, then AI is summarize this and get the information and give this information to us. So I think it's a nice to AI tool that they're giving us, and we save our times for not reading these long books, and we can get in a few minutes information and good information in various of using AI tools. So that's my point. Thank you.
I think, absolutely. This is nice to using AI tools, but sometimes it is over dependent. Many people's over dependent on AI. Their critical thinking, their mind is stop, and they are not able to thinking that way. So
Okay. Uh, uh, I'm the favor of AI. I just says like AI makes our life more compatible and convenience, right? My all opponents are says AI is harmful for human. Just think one. Uh, there is many things are harmful for human, but still we can use it. Just I was just example like peoples are drinking. We all know about drinking is harmful for our body, but still peoples are still peoples are drunk. You all know about it. Then one thing, there is advantage and disadvantage also included. That's why I'll say I must say advantages is more than disadvantages. That's it.
Okay, I agree with your opinion, ma'am, but there are many disadvantages of AI, as we already discussed or make our views on that. How AI is disadvantages or pros and cons of AI. So I think due to the AI, there are some statistical examples. Data is available. Only due to this AI, many people lost their jobs. And AI creates few jobs. AI creates few jobs, and AI work, or AI can work thousands of people. One artificial robot can do work of thousands of people. And what happened with other thousand, that these thousands of people when they lost their job? That means AI provides jobs, AI creates jobs, but how many? No, they are, we can count on fingers. So this is my point.
So, my point is sometimes ago we search about this topic on AI. What about that? This is also is this this is the example of advantage of AI. So you talk about jobs. Jobs, if we do not have skills according to that job, so they don't what should I say? They don't approve us to do that job. If we are improve our skills, we improve our own self and build our communication skills, so they will approve us. They will not reject us. That's it.
I'm agree with you, but sometimes many students do their best for their skill, and they don't get their dream job, but they prepare for their job. So I think, and they don't get enough salary also, and AI don't have any emotion, feeling, so we cannot relate it too much.
So my opponents say AI not any feelings, but AI have feelings because in 2 3 months before my dog is passed away. I so then I ask for Chat GPT. So then they very sad for no my dog is passed away. So they have more feelings.